Switzerland, officially the Swiss Confederation, is a landlocked country situated in western, central, and southern Europe. It has an area of 41,000 square kilometer. Bern is its capital, and Zurich is its largest city. German, French, Italian, and Romance are its official languages. Swiss franc is its official currency. Its five land bordering countries are Australia, France, Italy, and Germany. It is geographically divided between the Alps, the Jura Mountains, and the Swiss plateau. The majority of the Swiss population lives in the plateau. Switzerland is slightly less than twice the size of New Jersey. Zurich and Geneva are among the top 10 most livable cities in the world. They rank second and eighth on the list. The Swiss franc is the official currency of the Switzerland. Geneva, Switzerland is also home to the second largest of the four major office sites of the United Nations. Swiss consumption of chocolates per capita is the highest in the country world. They have invented techniques like conching and tempering to help them produce world-class chocolates. Mountaineering, snowboarding, and skiing are some of the popular sports in Switzerland. Half of the luxury watches produced in the world come from Switzerland. Brands like Tissot, Tag Heuer, Rolex, Patek Philippe, and the Longines are all Swiss. The Large Hadron Collider in the world's largest particle physics laboratory, CERN, is in Switzerland. It has been established under the ground. Bern is the capital of Switzerland. Zurich is its largest city. Switzerland has enough underground bunker capacity that it can hide its entire population in case of a nuclear war. Assisted suicide in Switzerland is legal. It is also legal in China, Belgium, Canada, and other few countries. There is, however, different legislation regarding the circumstances under which this is legal. Switzerland produces nearly all CO2 friendly electricity to its citizens. 39% of electricity comes from nuclear power plants, while 56% is generated by hydroelectric power plants. A giant three-legged chair in Geneva, Switzerland is dedicated to the opposition of using land mines. It is known as the Broken Chair. The Anti-PowerPoint Party is a political party in Switzerland that works to decrease the use of PowerPoint in professional presentations. They claim that the PowerPoint software is economically harmful. Animals are also represented by lawyers in Switzerland's court. Once a fisherman was prosecuted for taking too long to catch a pike. 23% of Switzerland's total population of almost 8 million consists of foreigners. The divorce rate in Switzerland is about 43% and people marry late. Men at the age of 31 years and women at 29. The average age for Swiss women to have their first child is 30 years, which makes them the oldest women in Europe to do so. 100 tons of hash and marijuana are used in Switzerland every year by 6 lakh people. Highly skilled people from the basis of Highly skilled people form the basis for the Switzerland's economy. Sectors such as banking, insurance, pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, microtechnology employ these skilled people. Switzerland, the best place in the world to be born, according to a recent quality of life index. It is funny to know that there are more banks in Switzerland than dentists. Fuel economy in Switzerland is measured in quantity per distance, liters per 100 kilometers. If you were a teacher in Switzerland, you would enjoy at least 12 weeks vacation and you would be paid highly, on an average $68,000 per year. There are 5 hospital beds are per 1,000 people in Switzerland. Bank tellers are protected by blood-proof glass in Switzerland. Drivers of public buses can be ticketed for traffic violations. Since 1815, Switzerland has not been involved in any military conflict. It has strong relations with its neighboring countries and is also a part of some international and UN organizations. Almost half of its population possesses guns. In spite of this fact, there are just zero point 0.5 murders per 1 lakh compared to 5 per 1 lakh in the US. Heavy snowfall in Switzerland during the night time will often accumulate enough snow on the roads to make them unstable. However, the roads will always be cleaned by 8 in the morning. Switzerland is one of the two countries in the world to have a square flag. The other is Vatican City.